Hey y'all, this is the Southern Guru, and I'm going to do an unboxing video of the Elgato Game Capture HD High Definition Game Recorder. Perfect for next gen PS4, Xbox One, and Wii U. It also has an adapter cable for the PS3, and it will also, of course, do the Xbox 360. Turn the box around and just kind of get a view of the side and now the back. It says, your skills immortalized. Record your Xbox or PlayStation gameplay to a Mac or PC. Built-in live streaming to YouTube and Twitch. Unlimited full HD 1080p capture. Flashback recording feature to record retroactively. Immediate access and full control of your captures. One-click sharing to YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. Lag-free HDMI pass-through to the TV. Compact size and easy setup. Technical specifications: interface USB 2.0. Yeah, this is I spent several hours in research, and this seemed to be, for the budget, the best all-around game capture card. One of the perks was that the free software that comes with the Elgato is really good. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I'm really excited about this. I'm going to just peel that. The possibilities are just endless of what you can do. Let's see here on the sides, almost like a movie box where you can just slide it out like that. Okay. And wow, really easy to open. And you know, another thing too is the size. I mean, it's not bulky, it's not big, it's not going to take up a lot of room. You can see the HDMI in port and the AV in. This is for the PS3. And the HDMI out and the USB for power, to power the device. And inside you have your cables. It does come, there's the USB cable, the for the PS3, the adapter cable, comes with a HDMI cable. I believe you have to download the software. Once you install the Elgato, you go to their website and download the software. So this thing is just comes with everything you need to get started recording your gameplay or your computer tutorials or whatever it is that you want to do, tutorials on the Xbox or just whatever. Yeah, it's a really good deal. If this video helped you in any way, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button on the video. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment. I really appreciate the love. Y'all have a great day.